the whole life, the whole daily structure starts to follow patterns. There is no freedom anymore. It is a pattern. You're being driven. You are a part of a wheel, of a part of a system, just a small one. But there's no chance for you to sometimes just get out and do something beyond that. So the longer you feel trapped inside the system and just are functioning, you're just functioning. You're living a functional life. But when you're out there walking in the garden or walking in the forest, there is nothing that the forest and the nature needs from you. You don't need to function when you walk through the forest. The only thing you need to do is realize that's what it is. Welcome to existence. There is nothing to add to this. There is nothing to change about this. It is just about the realization. That is it. And the less of this type of moments you have in your life, and the more you're like functioning, I would say these are the indications you're being driven.
Shi Heng Yi teaches that clarity starts with stillness. Modern life pushes us to react before we reflect, constantly bombarded by information, expectations, and noise. He encourages the practice of mindful pauses, stopping, breathing, and observing without judgment. It is in these moments of stillness that our mind becomes like calm water, reflecting reality as it truly is, rather than through the turbulence of stress or desire. Clarity cannot grow in a mind that is constantly rushing. By slowing down, we begin to see the bigger picture and recognize what truly matters.
You also simply start to understand that it is consistency and that willingness of what you want in your life. You need to maintain it. You can't let it slip. And you can't live an emotionally based life that even though you placed a plan, that you throw that plan away just because you don't feel like it today. And so using the physical training in order to use it as a bridge for your own individual and personal development of building yourself up again. This is what the power of all of this is.
The important thing is, don't wait for the world to change. Start with yourself. Identifying your core values, according to Shi Heng Yi, is a process of deep self-examination. It's not about what you think you should value, but about what truly resonates with your heart. For some, it may be compassion. For others, discipline, creativity, or truth. These values become your internal compass. When you face difficult decisions, you don't simply ask, "What will make me happy right now?" You ask, "What aligns with who I truly am?" This subtle shift changes everything. It transforms life from a series of reactions into a deliberate expression of your true self.
Now, important in this one is your fingers, you can cross them, and the palm, stretch them. So they're above the head, but not like this. It's stretch it. Yeah, stretch the inside of the palm, stretch it out. So it's stretched out, it's above the head. And now important is that you don't make this movement with the arms. So pay attention to your elbow joints. The elbow joints are not moving while you are doing this exercise. Yeah, pay a little bit attention. For example, arms are up, and now when I start to push, the push comes from the back.
This increases vitality and slows the aging process by keeping the spinal energy channel open.
So you're lifting completely with your back muscles, you're pushing your arms up. So yeah, continue while I'm watching you. And it can be very helpful if during the push, when you are pushing upwards, you are inhaling. So during the inhalation, it's pushing. So from here, I inhale and during the inhalation, you push up. Yeah, from now, everybody go 18 more times. use your back muscles. Keep the elbows straight. Yeah, 18 times. Let's go together. 1.
It strengthens the dantian, improves organ function,
3,
and enhances qi circulation.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and one more time. Inhale, push up, and relax. Very good. So this now we were starting to stretch upwards. So now we are taking the back side of our body, and the movement looks like this. Same. Hands, you can cross them again. Feet also together. And from here,
It builds foundational life force energy that supports longevity.
if you cannot touch the ground, it's no problem. But from here, the eyes watch to the floor where you want to go. And then from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. So feet also again together. Now a little bit wider, then it's easier for you. Then arms down. Take the eyes to the floor, and from here go 36 times. Start slowly. Always a little bit more. Legs stay straight. Don't bend the knees. Don't bend the knees. Keep them, stretch them. Yeah. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2. Yeah, continue. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Legs straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and 16 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. And slowly stand up again. Inhale. And exhale. In.
This promotes cellular rejuvenation and youthful energy.
Okay. Now from here, left foot, just take it out a little bit. So the toes are up, the heels are on the floor. Yeah, and here try to go. Try to go with the elbow down to the foot. Yeah? Just as good as you can. arm can rest on the head. The elbow is pointing to the toes. Yes, the left leg is straight. The left leg is straight. Yeah, and just from here go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then back to the center. Then right leg, heel. Foot up, arms change, and same exercise on the right side. Important is that your right leg, you try to keep it as straight as possible, so you can feel. If it's only possible until here, then it's also not a problem. Important is that you make it correct, so that you feel, okay, it's already starting to engage right now. And from this point here, then I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
It enhances energetic sensitivity, improves focus, and builds inner chi.
10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And back to the center. Open, stretch, inhale. Exhale. Again, inhale. And exhale. One more time. Inhale. And exhale. Okay. Now, these were at the moment just a few exercises that we are using in the monastery, that we are using in the Shaolin arts to practice and stretch our legs a little bit more. And very important is that you make it on a regular basis. Doesn't make too much sense if for weeks long you are not doing the exercises and then you are trying to achieve as much as you can. Like this, it's not going to work.
Health and longevity are not luck. They are earned through discipline, balance, and returning to your natural breath and energy.